Hey, what's going on, guys? Update on AT&T stock. It had a great day today. Most of the market was down, a significant amount. Looking at Nvidia, down 6.8%. I know the Nasdaq was close to 4% down on the day. S&P was down 2%, but AT&T was up 95 cents or 5.22%. It's a huge day, for their stock. They did report earnings, I believe it was yesterday, and that they beat some expectations. I don't know if they hit on all of their estimates, but I do know that I'm going to talk about that here in a second. What numbers they actually, beat on, and why, the stock market is reacting so positively. So, once again, this stock has been getting beaten up. It has tons of debt. Year to date, it is up 11%. So I don't know if, yeah, so just before yesterday, it was up around 5%. But yeah, year to date, up 11%. The past year, up 28%. Past 5 years, it's still in the red, down 25% percent there. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at this data. So jumping over to X here, AT&T. So from this Twitter account called Long Yield, they had tweeted, so this was yesterday. I think it was yesterday afternoon. Their EPS and revenue miss. Reported EPS was 57 cents, where they are expecting 58 cents. So there was a miss on that, the EPS, and then the reported revenue was 29.8 billion, and they're expecting 30 billion. So that's a big miss there. Over $2 billion, or not quite 2 billion, almost $2 billion there. And then earning missed by 3.39%. Revenue fell by 0.4% year over year. Key financial metrics: operating income 5.8 billion, adjusted 6.3 billion, net income 3.9 billion. But it looks like this is why the stock market has been, reacting, pretty good so far for the stock. Telecommunications giant AT&T enjoyed a nearly 3% boost in its stock price after surpassing expectations with the addition of 419,000 wireless phone subscribers. While its earning per share matched analysts' expectations, all fell short, kind of like what we just talked about. But it does look like this was a beat on the 419,000 wireless phone subscribers. So, needless to say, it seems like that is what pushed things up. Scrolling down a little bit further, see if there's any other good data here. Yeah, so this is kind of like a illustration, I guess. Yeah, so needless to say, they missed on some stuff. Looks like they free cash flow 4.6 billion, estimated 4.12 billion. On track to reach over 30 million consumer and business locations with fiber by 2025. AT&T exceeded market expectations for wireless subscriber additions. So maybe that's why Wall Street was so happy and is responding so well. There's hope, right? They're adding 419,000 monthly bill paying wireless subscribers compared to with the expectations of 284,000 additions. Yeah, so that is that appears to be pretty hopeful, right? You're acquiring more customers, not quite double, but definitely much higher than the expectation. So yeah, it looks like it was kind of a mixed report, but future looking, Wall Street is definitely responding pretty well so far to that. Adding a significant amount more monthly bill paying customers there. So needless to say, looking back at the stock, it's performing well. It'll be interesting to see if it can continue going up. Year to date, it's up 11%. Can it continue ripping up? We'll see. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you still holding AT&T? Are you pretty happy with how things have been going year to date? You are underperforming the market a little bit, but you are still getting a nice dividend, almost 6% as well. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe down below.